Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to stop Viber auto saving photos on your device. And now let's dive right in. Now to stop Viber auto saving photos on your phone, first open up your Viber app. And on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on more and you land on this interface. Again, tap on the settings available for us over here, just above my notes. And over here again you can see the media option available for us just below the calls and messages. Tap on media and you can see guys the second option here, it says save to gallery. Allow Viber to automatically save media to a gallery. Make sure that the tick mark at the right side of that option is unticked and turned off. By that way guys, your auto saving photos from Viber on your device will stop. And with that being said guys, this is how to stop Viber auto saving photos on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.